Have you noticed your computer doesn't feel like yours anymore? It feels like a billboard, a tracking device, a subscription service.
In 2026, the operating systems we grew up with have changed. They aren't tools designed to help you create. They're platforms designed to monetize your attention. Forced updates that break your workflow. AI that screenshots your desktop. Ads in your start menu. You are renting your own hardware. But there is an exit door. A parallel universe where you own your hardware, your code, and your data. Welcome to the Open Source Odyssey. Let's get this out of the way. You think Linux is just for hackers and dark hoodies typing green text? That was 20 years ago. This is what modern Linux looks like. It's clean, it's fast, and it runs the same browsers, the same code editors, and the same media apps you already use.
But unlike Windows, it doesn't eat half your RAM just to exist. It respects your resources.
Think of it like a recipe. Proprietary software is like a restaurant that won't tell you what's in the food. You just eat it and hope it's safe. Open source is different. The recipe, the code, is public. Anyone can inspect it. Anyone can fix it. This is why the entire internet runs on Linux. If you are a developer or want to be one, this is non-negotiable. The cloud, AI, the web, it all speaks Linux. Why fight against your OS to get tools working? On Linux, the tools are native. You type one command, and you are building. So how do you start? Do you need to wipe your hard drive today? Absolutely not. Step 1 is a live USB. It lets you test drive the future without touching your current files. It is completely risk-free. In upcoming videos, we will find the perfect flavor for you, whether you want stability, gaming, or pure coding power. This channel isn't just about software, it's about taking back control. If you're ready to stop renting and start owning, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the terminal.